Grand Cherokee means a lot to us. It's an iconic vehicle for us and has a good legend to it. The extension of doing the L was really the challenge, and adding perfect proportions that are contained within Grand Cherokee, the size of it, garageability and all of that, adding wheelbase and adding a third row to it. Of course, being a Jeep, it's going to have certain Jeep elements, including the 7-slot grille and the trapezoidal wheel arches. But also we think about other legendary Jeeps, and the Grand Cherokee has always held a few Grand Wagoneer elements in it. I think this new one has even more of that. Notably the stood up, leaning forward, imposing grille to it, the way that the pillars are defined, and even some of the lamp details. The other element that we picked up from the Wagoneer was this idea of outward visibility being part of the luxury package. So we moved the belt line down, worked hard with the engineering group to make all the pillars a bit slimmer, and opened up the glass expanse. Lighting is key. The exterior lighting is all completely LED. On the door, there's also now a little sculptural American flag. The new vehicle is just as wide as the outgoing car, but the track is wider. So we've pushed the tires out even farther, and they're very flush with the sides of the car. It just, for us, it's been a goal, and it's a more tailored appearance to the vehicle. When we added the third row, the goal was to get it not to be just we squeezed a third row in the back of the vehicle. It had to be a very comfortable third row. I'm happy to say an adult comfortably fits in the third row, and you could go for a long distance in the third row. We have to work very tightly with engineering. It's a team effort. It's not just us doing our design work and throwing it over the wall and going to lunch. There's lots and lots of interaction back and forth. Yes, there are Easter eggs on this vehicle. They are Grand Cherokee appropriate, which is key, so they're not going to be obvious, but I'm still not going to tell you where they're at.